Today I'm reviewing the Kenway two-piece submersible LED trailer light kit from Harbor Freight. So I picked this up at Harbor Freight. This is going to be for some replacements on a boat trailer where I've just been struggling with the traditional bulbs. They just go bad from water, corrosion, whatever it is. Now it says this fits trailers less than 80 inches wide. Look at your requirements for a trailer. I assume that's because they actually include the flat 4-wire connector and like all the trailer wiring that you need. But if you're going to use your existing wiring and make some connections, you should be able to use this on a larger trailer. And that is my intent, but you need to have the correct other wiring and lights for trailers, depending on where you live and the size and what you're using it for, all that. So check on that in terms of what you're going to do. But let's take a look at what's inside here. 12 volts, it's got the connectors, stop, turn, tail, and then it does have the license plate light. So here we've got our 4-wire connector and all those wires if you need those. For replacement, that's good. You've got everything you need to wire and kind of include these. So you've got all these little brackets here, as well as your wire nuts, and then ways to secure the wires. And then let's take a look at what else is inside here. You've got your instructions, so that's great. And then let's look at the actual LED lights themselves. I just got tired of the existing bulbs. They would last like a year or 6 months and go out. So here you go to license plate bracket. And where that's gonna come into effect is that you do need to have a license plate light down shining. So how this works is you've got your 2 signals right here. In my case, I believe how this is going to work is that this is going to be the left side light, and then this is going to be the right side light. There's probably some instructions here. Yeah, so it does say on the back of these, it shows top, and then it says right-hand side, and then here it shows left-hand side, and then top. And so what happens is you get your LED lights here. You've got brake light. So what you have is stop, turn, tail light, red side marker, and then license plate light. So you've got your side marker here, and then you're gonna have turn signal, and then you're gonna have a stop light, and then tail light all built into this. And then on this side, the left side, I've got my license plate light, which they've got this nice holder here. It's probably gonna go, I don't know, something like this, I guess. And then you can hang your license plate from it. There, like that, I assume is how it's gonna go. It looks like there's, yeah, some kind of holes over here. It slides in place like this. And then you're gonna have the license plate LED underneath, which you are required in some places to have. And then you've got all your connections here for the typical wiring on the trailer. So you've got 3 wires here, and on this one, you've also got 3 wires here, just different color coded according to typical trailer wiring. There you go. And then I actually picked up some heat shrink connectors like this, as well as some heat shrink connectors like this from Harbor Freight, so that I can make the connections with my existing lights that are on the trailer. So gonna do those, and looking forward to using the LEDs. Just, it seems like a better option than the replacement bulbs, which for whatever reason always seem to be going bad. You know, those bulbs get pretty hot and then they go in the water, and I think that's what burns them out. And the sealing on a typical, like how they seal the trailer light bulbs for conventional incandescent bulbs, it just seems to wear out over time. There's usually like a little rubber gasket, and you imagine how much shaking around that does, and they just wear out. So we're going to put these on, the Kenway Trailer Light, and these are from Harbor Freight. So if you're looking to get trailer lights from Harbor Freight and LEDs, they really do include a nice whole kit in terms of you got a new connector if you got to splice that in, or if you just need additional wiring, you've got that. You've got these little pieces here that you can use to mount on the trailer, instructions, and then you've got a little license plate tab as well. And then you've got on one side, that license plate tab, and then this over here. So thanks for watching this review of the Kenway 2-piece submersible LED trailer light kit with stop, turn, tail, red side markers, and license plate downlight for trailers designed to fit, it says utility, snowmobile, camping, motorcycle, and boat trailers. I'm going to be using this on a boat trailer, so that's the reason that I got it. It does run on 12 volts. It does include the flat 4-way connector if you need that. And like I said, it does say on the packaging up to 80-inch trailers. However, if you've got the other lights and requirements, it's going to be state specific. Make sure that you have the right stuff for that. And then they are reflective. That's usually another requirement. And then the license plate light, that's typically a requirement in most places. So it's kind of got all of it, and I'm looking forward to using this and making it work. It's kind of got everything that you need, and once again, got this from Harbor Freight. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.